Hi again. Today I am here with the unboxing and try on of the Hermès men's Chypre sandals. Okay, so here they are. This color is called Natural, which is referring to the brown here. These sandals are in calfskin on the top for the little straps here, and then lambskin for the sole. So even though they are sandals, you want to be very careful not to get them wet. And on the sole, you have Hermès right here. On the bottom, you can see that they are made in Italy, and you have this little H motif with little holes for some grip. And there's also an Hermès on the side of the strap as well. So let me go put these on. So as you can see, these are adjustable. There's a Velcro strap here, so you can leave it looser or tighter, depending on the size of your feet. And let me go stand up. So these fit essentially true to size. I am typically a size 40.5 or 41, and I got these in size 41, I believe, or size 40. No.
40.5.
40.5, excuse me. So they are true to size. Definitely recommend going a little bit smaller because you will not have socks on typically. You want to make sure that it's not too loose. Even though this is adjustable, it's not infinitely adjustable, so keep that in mind. These are very comfortable and are typically pretty hard to find. As of November 2023, the Hermès website does have some availability of both the men's and women's online with various different colors and material. Oftentimes, instead of the goatskin here, you'll be able to find some that are a little bit fuzzier. Those seem to be probably a little bit less popular. They were definitely around during the summertime. These are all sold out during the summertime. So if you definitely want the non-fuzzy version, I would recommend getting them now in the off season before the demand picks up again during the spring and summer of 2024. The sandal does come in men and women's versions in a variety of different colors, as I mentioned. So as of November 2023, the men's Chypre sandal in goatskin retails for approximately $810 in the US. Even though it's in the off season, I definitely look forward to wearing them once the weather warms up in the spring and summer of next year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.